And we're back, guys. What is up? Welcome back to Garage Days Miami, and I do apologize for the delay. I know it's been a long time since the previous episode, and I do apologize, but we have been getting pounded by some crazy rain and bad weather. Of course, since I'm outside, we can't really paint or anything else like that when it's raining. So today we got some good weather. We're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna finish this thing up and put it all back together today. So stay tuned. Alright, here we got some of the stuff we're going to be painting today, which we got the rear bumper, the side skirts, you can see the Nerf bars down there, that piece of the plastic of the inner side of the tailgate, and obviously we got the bed up there. We got, if you see on the lower left hand side, we have the handles and those little black pieces that go on the side of the bed, which I have no idea what it's called right now. But that's what we're going to be working on today. Hopefully getting this thing finished up. Weather's holding out pretty good so far, and we got to get painting now.
You and me so unstoppable, kings of the impossible. You and me so unbeatable, make it look unbelievable. We can't quit now, we're so close. Wherever you go, I'll go. And I can't do this on my own. So brother, are you with me? Let's go. You and me don't know how to lose. We the A-team, got nothing to prove. You and me should be allowed to roll. Together we way too powerful. We can't quit now, we're so close. Let's go. We can't quit now, we're so close. Wherever you go, I'll go. And I can't do this on my own. So brother, are you with me? Let's go. Gotta strike this chord with the humble hearts, bearing heavy chains and blue collar scars. Inevitably, they're gonna get their way. If it don't take that fight, take it to the grave. You're trying to walk with the angels in the city so faded.
Now we're moving on to the black, which is we got the bed, we got the roof rack, we have the Nerf bars, and a few little small things that we got to paint, as well as some parts of the front bumper and the rear bumper. Alright guys, we put it all back together again. Everything looks pretty good on the outside. I think I got all the gaps more or less where they need to be. And, well, let's go take a look. Alright, so we have completed the exterior and we are now moving on to painting the interior. Unfortunately, I don't like the combo between the gray and the tan, so we are going to go gray and black on the inside. So on the next episode, that's what we're doing. If you've been enjoying this content and like what you're seeing, don't forget to click that subscription button on the bottom, as well as a notification bell on the side of it, so that you are notified anytime there's a new episode out. So until next time, peace.